সংখ্যালঘু গোষ্ঠীকে লক্ষ্য করে 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 করা হয়, যা জনসাধারণের মধ্যে বিদ্বেষ ও উত্তেজনা ছড়াতে পারে। সবচেয়ে উদ্বেগজনক বিষয় হলো, উক্ত ভিডিওতে পুলিশ ভোট জালিয়াতি অংশীদার হিসেবে উল্লেখ করে সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন বা কাহিনী মাগবি তারা নিজের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, যা জনসাধারণকে আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনীকে অবিশ্বাস করতে শেখায় এবং কখনো কখনো তা আইন নিজের হাতে তুলে নেওয়ার ইঙ্গিত দেয়। দেন স্কিপস ওভার দ্য নেক্সট প্যারাগ্রাফ। এই ভিডিওতে শ্রী সোয়েনসো সম্পূর্ণ সচেতনভাবে মিথ্যা ও পরিবেশ করেন। উৎস বা প্রমাণ উপস্থাপনা না করে শুধুমাত্র আলোচনা জোরদার করবার জন্য তিনি এই তথ্য ছড়িয়েছেন।
Petitioner already passed orders in similar cases. The petitioner here is a YouTuber. On 18/7/2025, Oshaba police station registered a police case, an FIR. The petitioner, stays in he is a senior citizen. He stays in Agurpara.
Oh, 53
Will find the notice under section 41A, which is under challenge. We could not challenge the FIR back then, because they had not uploaded the FIR. Page 33 is the 35(3) notice, We had immediately written. Page 34, will find the email seeking compliance with the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Youth Bar Association's case. Now, after filing of the writ petition, after service of the writ petition, they have uploaded the FIR. I have a copy.
On 21st July, we have.
Yes.
1 point goes. There are 2 points in writ petition. 1 goes.
This is the FIR. There was a
505 though, basically.
505. 505 1 and 505 2.
Well, there are no ingredients also, but I am not challenging the FIR here because I did not have a copy, But had also dealt with
let him appear virtually.
I have some submissions to make.
That you can make, but virtual let it continue. File affidavit.
He is not having any special rights. I'll argue that to appear virtually. And number one, and if we go by the complaint, if I may place the complaint, once my learned senior is done with his submissions, I can show that there are ingredients of 353(1), 353(2). And in that circumstances, it is essentially a matter of procedure. He cannot dictate the investigating agency what procedure is to be followed. It is not one of the cases virtually before the police station. But one ground is FIR is not uploaded. That is uploaded. Another ground is that many police officers came to my house to deliver this.
I am relying upon an unreported decision,
which my learned senior will give me a copy.
Mr. You have got the copy of the FIR, na?
But I am having.
The genesis of all this is relating to a particular criminal case.
No, genesis. Yeah, no. The genesis is his YouTube video, which is uploaded sometime around 17 July. We have got the complaint.
No,
where he is discussing in paragraph 6 of the writ petition. He has said he has analyzed the order of Justice Sinha in his YouTube video. Now, the order luckily is part of the writ petition. It's a 2-page order. And kindly read that order. That will be at page 35. And in light of that order, kindly read the complaint. What the complainant has perceived and what the complainant has heard him say. Now, we are not, as my learned senior has rightly and fairly submitted, he has not challenged the FIR. So,
because it was not there.
Yes, he has not challenged. So, we are in a writ petition where FIR is not challenged, only 35(3) is challenged. So, your lordship is basically looking at the procedural part of the investigation, to which my learned friend has no right to challenge. He has no right to the procedure, I have seen the order,
that is relating to certain birth and death certificate.
Death certificate at a particular Gram Panchayat. Now, the accused in the complaint, now reads paragraph 6. Now read paragraph 6 of the writ petition. Then read the complaint.
Around 3,600.
Yeah, 1 second, Mr. Bhattacharya. I'll just.
Around 3,600 certificates.
May I just answer the lordship's query and then after time? Can you read paragraph 6 of the writ petition? Page 6. Page 6, para 6. Your lordship has taken the order at page 35, Yes. Your petitioner further state that the instant 35(3) notice is being given to the petitioner in connection with Gosava PS so reflects the fact that the instant case has been registered against the petitioner for making a video in YouTube channel on so wherein the petitioner have reflected the direction and observation of the Honorable Justice so passed in video in versus so. So he has reflected his views. That is his case. Now read the complaint. First page. If having the Bengali complaint also, can you take the first page bottom?
Yes.
While having the complaint letter, can you take the first page bottom? তন্ময় বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তার ভিডিওতে যে বক্তব্য পোষণ করেছেন তার সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা। সো ইট ইজ ফলিং আন্ডার এই দায়ের হচ্ছে 25/4/2025 তারিখে, অথচ গোসাবা থানা রুজু করেছে অনেক আগে 6/3/2025 তারিখে। উক্ত ভিডিও দাবি করা হয় এই সার্টিফিকেটের মাধ্যমে হচ্ছে, যার সুবিধা শাসক দলের তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস পাচ্ছে, দায়ী করেন এবং এখন রাজনীতিতে জাতিগত পরিচয়ের ভিত্তিতে এক সংখ্যালঘু গোষ্ঠীকে লক্ষ্য করা হয়, যা জনসাধারণের মধ্যে বিদ্বেষ ও উত্তেজনা ছড়াতে পারে। সবচেয়ে উদ্বেগজনক বিষয় হলো উক্ত ভিডিওতে পুলিশ ভোট জালিয়াতি অংশীদার হিসেবে উল্লেখ করে বলা হয়েছে তাদের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, বা কাহিনী মার্ক তারা নিজের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, যা জনসাধারণকে আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনীকে অবিশ্বাস করতে শেখায় এবং কখনো কখনো তা আইন নিজের হাতে তুলে নেওয়ার ইঙ্গিত দেয়। দেন স্কিপস ওভার দ্য নেক্সট প্যারাগ্রাফ, কাইন্ড অফ দ্য ফোর্থ প্যারাগ্রাফ। এই ভিডিওতে শ্রী সোয়েন্সো সম্পূর্ণ সচেতনভাবে মিথ্যা ও পরিবেশ করেন, কোন উৎস বা প্রমাণ উপস্থাপনা না করে শুধুমাত্র আলোচনা জোরদার করবার জন্য তিনি এই তথ্য ছড়িয়েছেন।
Have you retrieved the video?
কোনটা অথরিটি দেওয়া হয়েছে না? Some data regarding some the petitioner inside by
The transcript of the video.
transcript, entire transcript is not there. I will explain part of the repetition because it is their video, but for me to bring it, I'll take some time.
FIR at that point of time which was
No,
available.
but
Now,
when we are having the repetition subject matter, and kindly see not ground.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, until and unless I see the transcript clearly, it would not be possible for me to appreciate whether this has been said or not said. This is up.
That is on the FIR, my lord.
This is on the FIR.
But they are not challenging the FIR. They are saying the procedure of
So we have
is wrong.
we have got to see the totality of the
But kindly
circumstances.
see the ground of challenge.
Five cases এইগুলো
Kindly see paragraph 11. Malad, kindly see where the shoe has pinched. The shoe has pinched, Malad, because they say that it was hostile and intimidating manner. That is the ground.
That is a part of your case you investigate. Right now, I am not commenting. But the fact remains there was an investigation regarding to this order.
Earlier matter.
This
Earlier matter,
Justice Sinha's order
Yes.
is absolutely incorrect or correct. I mean, this information which was furnished. I'm not saying
Information is from my report.
that so far as the birth and death certificates which have
It is
been
correct.
correct.
It is correct.
Correct. So this up to this, it is all right that some certain issues were there.
Now, Malad,
While discussing the issues in respect of the order, he has transgressed his limits.
no, he
That is
said that the
basically.
petitioner have reflected the direction and observation.
Reflection
Malad, is the reflection and direction? I ask this question to myself: whether reflection and direction can contain a discussion of Rohingyas, which is not there in the order of the coordinate
the
bench.
Rohingyas are citizens of India.
Number one. Number two,
Or
whether the direction contained any aspersions on the police force or the DIG of West Bengal.
All right, you want to after the transcript you want to interrogate or before the transcript you tell me. Then I've got to pass some orders, sir, because these are cases which will be increasing with the forthcoming year. I understand.
Malad, in my humble submission, the transcript.
Carry on the investigation, sir. Let him appear virtually, produce a transcript. Thereafter, I will take a decision because the full this is on the information. See, there's a
From the order. The order is a 2-page order, Malad.
order is regarding some birth and death certificates, the genuinity of the same.
Yes.
I'm not traveling beyond that also.
Malad says that the FIR has been registered at the
I have personally
directions of the honorable court.
I have personally gone through my
So, আজকের কেসে এমনি কোর্টে গেলে বেল পেয়ে যাবে, পুলিশ যাবে না।
Might be.
I have
But
personally
might be.
gone through
Might.
this speaking alert. This
If you
date,
goes your police authority to the court and obtains bail, you will not be able to get hold of the person anymore.
Malad,
What I
my
can-
submission is Malad. What I'm trying to submit is that Malad, the transcript is required if the petitioner had challenged the FIR.
no,
But
I have
here we are on the basis of a complaint.
I'm saying
the
for need to
thing
file
is
a
that-
supplementary affidavit.
By supplementary evidence, you have modified the players.
No, no.
I am not asking for. I will not enter into the zone. I will just assess regarding the correctness of the accusation, whether the person who has delivered something in the YouTube channel, his YouTube channel, transgress the limits or not. Because this is a statement made by a person.
So, Malad,
This is a statement. I will say a statement made by a person.
Malad,
The
this-
complaint.
Yes, Malad, this has to be read in the light of his statement in the paragraph 6
But I have the
Well,
video, my lord. If you want
well,
to
he
submit,
says
I can hand it over.
that he has reflected the directions and observations. Malad, these paragraphs reflect what he has said in the video according to the complainant. And he says that he has only discussed the order. Well, I asked this question to myself that
So
these
discussion of the order, Mr. Bandhavale, discussion of the order and the excess part where you have pointed out makes out an offense is a part of the YouTube.
and part of the investigation.
Actually, that is why you are investigating.
Right.
Otherwise, you should not.
So, Malad, when he is challenging not the FIR but only the 35(3), he is basically challenging a procedural step. That procedural step, Malad, has to be tested at the anvil of the two grounds he has made out. One ground was the FIR was not uploaded, which has been uploaded on 21st July. The other ground is, Malad, paragraph 11. Kindly see paragraph 11. He says why so many police officers came to deliver the notice. That is his ground. But that cannot be a ground. But on that ground, 35(3) or 41A has been set aside in this country if I have read it properly.
Kindly takes para 14 thereafter, my lord.
No, you file a supplementary
I'll file
affidavit.
a supplementary, my lord.
You
My lord,
wa-
my lord, I am seeking formal leave, my lord.
Mr. Bandhavale, do you intend to interrogate him or just want him to visit Goshaba, which is your primary aim? Well, I don't find much heinousness in the offense right now.
Malad, 41A, Malad, is a balance. Malad, if your lordship direct, Malad, them to appear virtually, that balance is lost. The balance is between, Malad, arresting and also preserving a person's right.
There is no scope for arresting in this case, sir.
Malad, that is the purpose of 41A. But on these two grounds, which has been made out in the writ petition, if your lordship directs him to appear virtually, Malad, that will disturb this balance which was meant by introducing 41A. But 502 is a, Malad,
You make out a better section case. Case with better sections, you might.
153A can be given if there was no publication, but in this case, there's a publication.
That is why I am not pronouncing what to give and what not to give, sir. You could have.
Well, very well. I'll produce the transcript, Malad.
You understand that is what.
Whether, my lord, there was compliance with section 173, subsection 3 of the BNSS, my lord, should also be indicated by the state.
Well, if he has made out that case, I'll indicate. If he has not made out the case,
It's a question of law.
if he has not made out the
Question
case,
of law, my
then I don't need to meet him.
lord. I was seeking.
Merely because some conference happens in court, I did not meet every point.
For one, it is required. For two, it is not required. Two is a cognizable offense.
Both.
3 to 7 years.
So for that,
Both are cognizable.
No, one is non-cognizable.
now here, no, this one we have to
3 years or more, but less than 7 years.
require.
And, my lord, I was seeking formal leave of your lordship, my lord. Apart from, my lord, enclosing, my lord, the transcript, my lord, if I am also, my lord, permitted, my lord, to enclose, my lord, the
You
streaming.
have other sections, you have not given that.
Malad, we have gone by the complaint,
My lord,
Malad.
I have personally
Not
gone
like,
through
my
the
lord, the
live streaming,
police-
my lord, of the proceedings of
So then
414.
what you intended to do, I have no issues regarding that. But a bit more carefully, a superior officer should have
So this is a, they keep on attempting, my lord. They
No,
not attempt.
not
First,
attempt.
my lord, I was arrested. I was arrested, the honorable. Oh, if
The same person.
that is the consideration, my lord.
No, that is one of the considerations.
Put it on affidavit, my lord.
You want to interrogate him, Mr. You tell me,
Falsify, yes.
Mr. Bandhavale, you want to interrogate
I
him?
want to interrogate.
Wait till some time. You file a transcript. You tell me.
Malad, I want to interrogate him. In the meantime, if they cannot file the transcript,
No,
we'll
my
file
lord,
the
I
transcript.
transcript, my lord. I am seeking for my lord's leave, my lord.
Both of you, be ready. You be ready.
And, my lord, the live streaming, my lord, the live streaming link also. I need, my lord, formal leave, my lord. I have personally gone through the live streaming link. I have seen the, my lord, video also. There is no excess part, my lord.
Yes. Leave is granted A to the petitioner to file supplementary affidavit to the limited to the extent of enclosing the transcript of the YouTube. Full stop. State would, if it is possible for the state to prepare the transcript in the limited period of time, state would also prepare the transcript for the court to check the veracity in respect of the accusations made in the complaint, as well as the materials appearing while transmission of the there's a news channel or what is it?
It's a YouTube channel.
It's a YouTube.
Style news channel.
It's a YouTube channel.
Transmission through the YouTube channel. Full stop. Petitioner stay is at
My lord, his case in Agotpara.
Under Khorda PS.
within the jurisdiction of
Khorda
For the
PS.
police station.
the police station and has been called by the
Oshaba.
Goshaba police station in connection with
Malad, Goshaba PS case number 259 of
Goshaba police station case number
259 of 2025.
259/25
dated 18 July 2025.
dated 18 July 2025. A notice under section 35(3) of BNSS has been served on him. Petitioner would provide a link for appearance to virtual mode before the investigating officer till the next date of hearing.
मतलब kindly fixes the date and time.
Till the next,
Otherwise, मतलब
I will fix it. Till the next date of hearing. Acha, in the meantime, you don't need to go outside the state, I believe.
No, I'm here.
Huh?
I'm here, my lord.
Acha, so I'm just telling that in case you go out of the state, you should inform the investigating officer. Some binding must be there.
Yes.
In case the petitioner intends to go out of the state of West Bengal, he should inform the investigating officer of the aforesaid case. State is directed to produce the case diary on the next date. How much time do you take?
But I can do it by Monday, my lord.
এত তাতে আমি পারবো না, আমাকে 8 মাসটা টাইম দিতে হবে। You are working 2.5 days a week, sir.
देनी तो
I am here, my lord. always. We are here, my lord. always.
After 15th, I'm keeping this, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. 22nd August, I'm keeping this.
yes, मतलब kindly fix the date for the interrogation, मतलब for the complaint.
You send a link.
मतलब your lordship has recorded that the petitioner will send a link. That is why I'm saying.
I'll provide the
Respond-
email address, my lord, to Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
হ্যাঁ
Where, my lord,
এখানে
they
লিঙ্কটা
will
বলেছি না,
Petitioner provide a link for
Your
link
lordship has recorded petitioner will send a link.
আচ্ছা ওটাকে the investigating officer will send a mail.
But kindly fixes the date,
আচ্ছা
मतलब.
ঠিক আছে,
Any date 11 a.m. because the last notice had 11 a.m. if I'm not wrong.
the investigating officer will fix a date. আজ কত তারিখ? 25 তো Monday. I'm 28 virtual mode, anytime can be.
Fine.
On at 11 a.m. on
No, मतलब make it Tuesday. The order has to be uploaded.
হয়ে যাবে।
28th.
Fridays we have got to wrap up everything actually. 11 a.m. On 28th of July 2025. Subsequent end dates if any. If on any subsequent date the petitioner intends to interrogate the petitioner, the said date may be communicated to the petitioner on the same date or at the mail address
48 hours in
which is 48 hours.
No, in a similar case, my lord had directed, my lord.
সেটা with
That will
But we have not
come-
tested whether it's similar or not. We have not tested.
কি হলো
I am here, my lord, to submit before your lord.
22nd ডে তো রাখছি আপনার, হ্যাঁ
Well, it is understood between us that they will send the email ID today itself.
now he will do it, হ্যাঁ কি বললাম,
the same date may be communicated to the petitioner at the same date or at the mail address.
or through the mail address provided by the petitioner. Full stop. ওই 22 করে দাও. List the repetition under the heading specific matter on 22nd of August 2025.